think I might be done. Yeah, I don't know. If I don't quit now, I'll just keep messing with it.